Estàs avorrit a casa i no saps què fer? Tranquil, tenim una solució per tu.
Al mes d'abril, a l'Institut Ramon Turró es fan unes jornades que són molt divertides. Sabeu quines són? Les jornades literàries!
Molts escriptors coneguts d'arreu de Catalunya hi seran aquí. Escriptors com, per exemple, un dels més coneguts del món, Francesc Miralles, Dolors García i Cornellà i molts més.
I tu, t'animes a vindre? Nosaltres t'animem a que t'ho passis genial, en un dia com aquest.
So good inside. I've always wanted a girl just like you. You're such a pretty young thing. Ooh. Where did you come from, baby? And ooh, won't you take me there right away? Won't you, baby? Tenderoni, you've got to be. Spark my need, just sugar fly with me. Don't you know now is the perfect time?
Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here, a celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on.
Us esperem el mes d'abril a l'IES Ramon Turró i Darder per les jornades literàries. Gràcies.
Good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's